Welcome guys, my name is Dan White. I'm on the product marketing team for Milwaukee Tool. Today I'm very excited to introduce to you the world's first 18-volt completely cordless large angle grinder. Guys, we've done the upfront research with mechanical contractors, iron workers, pipeline workers, metal fab shops to ensure we are introducing the highest performing large angle grinder in the market. This large angle grinder generates 15 amp corded power. What I mean by that is it's offering our users the ability to tackle all demanding cutting and grinding applications they're going to run to on a daily basis, giving them true corded performance. Not to mention, guys, we did not have to sacrifice on weight or ergonomics. If you take a look at our current corded model here, look how much mass we took out of the grinder. Up to 2 pounds lighter than our current corded large angle grinder. What this means for our users is it's increasing mobility on the job site, allowing them to tackle all applications in every orientation needed on the job site to increase productivity and efficiency on a daily basis. Not to mention 9-inch grinding capacity, true corded performance with the ability to tackle large surfaces and touch large amounts of the surface to remove more material on a single pass, increasing productivity. You take a step to the corner of the room here, guys. We did not sacrifice on runtime either. Up to 10 bevels per charge on a single charge or an HD 12.0 pack with this large angle grinder. On this cart here, you'll see 100 feet, a 4-inch Schedule 40 black pipe cut in 10-foot sections. If I was a mechanical contractor and I got tasked to install 100 feet, a 4-inch black pipe, I'd have to come through and bevel each end so I can weld them together. This large angle grinder has the runtime to complete those 10 bevels with ease. That's an incredible amount of work on a daily basis on a single charge with our HD 12.0 pack. Not to mention 178 cuts on 1/2-inch rebar and 94 cuts on 1x1/8 inch angle iron. This large angle grinder has the power to do all demanding cutting and grinding applications, and it's clearly the best high performing grinder in the market.